Welcome to another video. Now we are told to find the value of x given that 5 raised to x minus 2 should be equals to 15. So I'm going to take you through step by step up to the final solution where we're going to find actually the value of x and if possible verify it. So stay tuned, watch up to the end. So let us start. If I have 5 raised to x minus 2 is equals to 15, then I'm going to recall the laws of indices given that a raised to m minus n. Then of course this can be rewritten as a raised to m divided by a raised to n. So when the powers are subtracted, then the powers can be divided like that. The bases can be divided. So applying this here, I'm going to have 5 raised to x divided by 5 raised to 2 should give me 15. And then of course from there when you cross multiply, you're going to get that 5 raised to x is equals to 5 raised to 2 multiplied by 15. Then it goes without saying that 5 raised to x now should be equals to, of course, 5 squared times 15. I'm gonna get 375. So at this particular point, for me to remove this x, the exponent, I need to introduce, I'm gonna introduce the logs on both sides of this equation so that I have the log of 5 raised to x is equals to the log of 375, and then the x can come down as x to the log of 5 is equals to the log of 375, dividing so that I remain with x. I'm going to divide all through by the log of 5. So cancelling this and this, it implies that x is equals to, I'm going to get the log of 375 divided by the log of 5. Then of course at that particular point, I'm going to re-express 375 in terms of its factors. And 375 can be written as 5 to the power 3 multiplied by 3. So replacing that there, it's going to change to x is equals to the log of 5 power 3 multiplied by 3 divided by, of course, the log of 5 from this particular point. And you also need to recall again another laws of indices or the laws of exponent, which says that when you have the log of a multiplied by b, then this can be further be re-expressed as the log of a plus the log of b. So applying this here, automatically then x gonna change to the log of 5 power 3, of course, plus the log of 3, then divide by all through by the log of 5. So guys, kindly like this video, subscribe to this channel, turn your notification on, and most importantly, leave a comment. So moving on, the value of x separated, it's gonna be 3 to the log of 5. Of course, I'm gonna separate under different denominator like that, plus the log of 3 divided by the log of 5. Next step, it goes without saying that the log of 5 and log of 5 can cancel, and then I end up with x being 3 plus the log of 3 divided by the log of 5 as our answer, which can be re-expressed using, when you have the log of a divided by the log of b, then this can be written under a single log as the log of a to base b, then the base can come there. Reapplying that here, then our actual final value of x is equals to 3 to the log of 3 to the base of 5 as the required value of x, which satisfies that particular equation. So you're going to go ahead and try to verify if indeed 5 raised to power x minus 2 should be giving you 15. So wherever I have x, I'm going to replace 3 plus the log of 3 base 5. So that is 5 in bracket 3 plus the log of 3 base 5, of course, minus 2 should give me 15. So here the powers are added and at the same time being subtracted. Then opening that bracket, I'm going to end up with 5 raised to power 3, of course, multiplied by 5 raised to the log of 3 base 5. And then this subtraction means I'm going to end up dividing 5 raised to 2. You want to see if it's going to give us 15. Then it is very easy to see that from this particular point, when you have the base raised to a log of any letter and the base is same, then the answer automatically gives you B. So applying that here, I'm going to end up with 5 raised to power 3 multiplied by this, and this changes to 3 using this relationship. Of course, divide by 5 power 2. You want to see if it's going to give us 15. So what does that mean? This is 5 raised to 3 and this is 5 raised to 2. Re-expressing this, I'm going to write it as 5 raised to the power. From this particular point, when the powers are divided, then they can be subtracted like that. Of course, should give you 15. When you take 5 raised to 3 minus 2, you end up with 5 raised to power 1 multiplied by 3 should end up giving you 15. And of course, 5 raised to 1 is 3. Is 5, so 5 times 3, you end up getting 15 is equals to 15. Hence, the proof for our answer. Thanks for watching up to the end. I hope you have learned. Kindly comment. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn your notification on until we meet again in the next video.